Hello everyone, welcome back to our SQL question answer series, and today we are going to discuss one scenario based question which is asked in most of product based companies interviews, right? What is that question? That question is, you'll be given a table like IPL match detail or cricket match detail, and you'll be asked to provide certain output, right? So let's go and see how that input will be given to you and what output question will be asked, right? So I'll just run the input query. I prepared this table where match details are provided to you, right? So team 1, team 2 and the winner, right? So in first match, if you see, RCB played against CSK and winner was CSK. Similarly, if you see other matches like KKR played with CSK and CSK was winner. Similarly, SRH played with KKR and KKR was winner, right? So now what will be the question which will be asked to you? The question will be like to find out of these, like how many now total matches are played by each particular team, like how many matches played by RCB, how many matches played by CSK, how many matches played by SRH, and how many matches played by KKR, right? Similarly, second question will be all these teams, how many matches were won by these team, right? And then third question obviously will be how many matches were lost by these teams, right? So initially this question looks bit difficult to the people who are attending the interview, but what you can do is you can break the interview and approach it in chunks so that it looks very simple to you, right? Okay, so let's head towards the solution of it, right? So what I'm going to do is I'll select everything from team 1 first. Select team underscore 1 as team. Okay, let me arrange it properly. And then what I'm going to say is, if this team 1 is in winner, then I'll consider it as winner, right? Otherwise it is not winner, correct? So that only I'm going to define case when team underscore 1 equals to winner, then 1 else 0 and then end as winner, correct? And now all this detail we are selecting from IPL table. Now if you run this one, you'll get to know that how many winners are there or losers are there from team 1, right? So you'll see here that there was no team from team A which won the match, right? You can verify that from here. So RCB played first match. It was winner? No, right? CSK first, second match? No. SRH second match, third match? No. KKR? No, right? So this output is correct. Now similar thing we are going to do for team 2 as well. So what we do is union all to join this output with the team 2 output, and then we copy this code. So since you have understood the concept, I'll just replace the team name here, team 2. Now let me run this separately, correct? So if I run this one, okay, there is, okay. Yeah. So if I run this separately, you will see that all the matches are won by the teams which played in team 2. Correct. Now, if we run this all together, we have detail of all the like winners and losers, right? But this is not the expected output. Output is team name against that number of matches played, and then against that number of matches won and number of matches lost, right? So now we are going to achieve that using a common table expression, right? So with CT underscore IPL as, and then we define it, right? Now from this CT, we are going to fetch our desired output. So how do we do that? Select team, right? First detail is team that is needed from you. and then count of matches played, right? So matches played means how many times this team was involved there, right? And then give some alias, right? Played or something. And then how many matches was won, right? So that we can calculate from the flagging we have done. Sum of one flag, or we have given winner flag as 1, and then lost is nothing but this minus this, right? Played minus 1, right? So that we can do is like let me just copy this one, place here, minus, copy this one, place here, and then just give a name as lost, right? And then from where we are selecting all this detail, we are selecting from the CT which we defined, right? So just copy the CT name, place it here, right? Now we need to group all this detail using group by, right? So group by, and group by what? Team, right? Now run all this thing together. Now you have stitched all these details and let's run it, right? You have got the desired output, right? This is what was expected. Now let me run the input also together with this so that it will be clear to you. Yeah. So this is what was asked, right? Team 1, team 2 played a match. Who was winner? So total matches played by CSK was 3. You can verify from here. First match CSK was there, yes. Second match CSK was there, yes. Third, no. Fourth, yes. So total 3 matches, right? Now how many matches was 1? So you can verify from here. 1 and 2. 2 matches was 1, right? Now lost how many matches? This match CSK lost, correct? So that is there. Similarly for all the other teams, this detail is there. So this interview question will be breaked into chunks and attempted in very simple approach, right? So for now I'll stop the recording and see you in next question answer. Thank you.